Come with me to the World Cup.
Cabin crew, prepare for landing, thank you.
Fair play to Man for giving me a lift up to the airport. 11 AM flight to Atlanta, so obviously it was too early for whiskey. So instead I had a very underwhelming and overpriced full Irish. Found my seat, settled in, got my pillow and blanket, and then it was lunchtime. A lovely chicken curry, a strong 8 out of 10. I'll give that one. It was pretty good. Watched a little bit of Chariots of Fire, watched Rory do his thing in 2025, which was quite fitting, landing in Georgia. Had a cup of tea and listened to my man Ben Howard, and then we landed in Atlanta. Atlanta's getting ready to host 8 games at this summer's World Cup. There was also a pretty cool Martin Luther King exhibition I checked out before making my way to my connecting flight to Mexico City.
Getting away, or if you're going home, or going to work.
And after that welcome from the pilot, we were off. It was about a 3-hour journey down to Mexico City, over the Gulf of Mexico. Before you knew it, we were landed. Met one of the World Cup volunteers on my way out of the airport. Here we are,